Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel Techno Mix. We are back again with our awesome editing tricks. Today in this video, we are going to show you how you can add the video rewind effect in your YouTube videos just like you see in movies. So, let's start the video. Many of the viewers messaged us that how did you add that rewind effect in previous video. So here we are with that amazing simple trick. Watch the video till end and follow the steps properly. Open Kinemaster application. Add the video that you want to make rewind. Adjust the duration of the video. 1 minute of the video is enough for this effect. Now you have to duplicate the video. After duplicating, reverse the original video. As the video is reversed, now duplicate the video again and put it before the reversed video. Now you have to speed the reversed video to x16. Trim the extra video parts and your effect is done. All the video editing is done. Now time for audio effect to the video. Add the rewind tape audio. You can download it from link in description. All the settings is done, so watch the preview.
Got me thinking if you're